how to build a sales funnel for affiliate marketing. So this video is for the beginners. Don't worry, it's actually not that hard because I'll show you step by step how to build a funnel. Now I'll show you personally my personal 3-step sales funnel that has earned me hundreds of thousands of dollars in passive income. And I can honestly tell you, hundreds of other affiliates are not following what I'm doing, and it's really, really easy. So I'm going to share this with you. So with that said, let's get started. How to build a sales funnel for affiliate marketing. So before we begin, I want to invite you to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. Now, why do you want to do that? You want to subscribe to my channel if you are interested in affiliate marketing, how to earn passive income online. I have tons of affiliate marketing videos in the pipeline for you, ready to be published. So if you want to be one of the first to check out my future videos around affiliate marketing, you definitely want to be a subscriber, okay? So let's get started. So my affiliate marketing funnel is a simple 3-step process. So it looks like this. It's exactly like this. Okay, so the first step is the opt-in page. All right, now the opt-in page is a page where you capture someone's name and email in exchange for a freebie. All right, now in my case, I'm actually an affiliate for AppSumo. Now, AppSumo is a website that's an Amazon for software, basically. Okay, so they have hundreds of thousands of different software, and they are on a lifetime deal. So you basically pay one time and you own the software for life. You don't need to make monthly payments. So people just pay 59 bucks, 69 bucks, 79 bucks, and they own the software. Okay, so on my opt-in page, I always create a freebie that's related to the specific software I am promoting. All right. So I'm in marketing and my audience is in marketing and SEO. They're digital entrepreneurs. So all of my offers are related to the affiliate offer and to my audience. So I have a lot of like SEO checklists, marketing related checklists, ebooks, things like that. So make sure you offer something that's related to your audience and also the offer as well, okay? And then once they fill out the form, they are taken to the thank you page, okay? Now, keep in mind what I'm telling you right now, 99.9% of the affiliates on AppSumo are actually not doing this, which is crazy. And I'm showing this to you today, so you are in the 0.1% of people who will definitely succeed if you take action. So on the thank you page, I talk about the specific product I'm promoting, right? So I have a headline, an image or a video, and then right below that, I have a button that links to the affiliate offer, all right? And I'm basically going to show you and build this out for you so you know exactly how to do it. Okay, and then the third step is the affiliate offer, where they go to the affiliate page, review it, and then make their purchase, and then I earn affiliate commission. Okay, so let's add some clarity around this. So we got the wireframes here. So let me show you my simple affiliate funnel. So it looks like this. Okay, so this is the opt-in page. Okay, so I have a headline here, subheadline, an image of the freebie, which is an SEO audit checklist, and then a form. All right, so very, very simple, nothing crazy. When they fill the form out, they click on Get Instant Access. And the next step is the thank you page. So this is how my thank you page looks like. It has a headline and it has an image or a video. And then right below that is the button to claim the deal. And then right below that is a second link. Now this second link is a no thanks link. So when it basically says, no thanks, I want to check out other deals on AppSumo. So if they don't want to claim this deal, they can click on this blue link and it'll take them to the main AppSumo homepage where they can browse other deals that they are interested in. Now this no thanks link is really important because a lot of people actually make a purchase after they click on the no thanks link. Actually, I feel like more people click on the no thanks link versus the main button. So you definitely want to have 2 links on your thank you page. So I'm going to be creating this whole sales funnel for you today using ClickFunnels. If you don't have ClickFunnels, you can get a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. So to get a 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels, what I need you to do is go to secretmoneymakingtools.com, and I'll actually give you a free checklist of all of my tools that I use for my business that I'm an affiliate for that earn me money every single day. So to get this list of my secret money-making tools, go here, add your first name and email, and then you'll get this checklist here, okay? So this has all of my best vetted marketing software to help me in my business. And what you wanna do is scroll down to row 16 and then click on the ClickFunnels link right here, and you'll get a 14-day free trial, okay? So what I want you to do is click this and then sign up, and then you'll get taken to your ClickFunnels account. So what you want to do is click on Site and Funnels, and then click on Funnels, and then you are going to click on Create Funnel. You're going to name the funnel, funnel path URL, and then you're going to click on Create Funnel. Now, when you click on Create Funnel, it'll take you to a page that shows you different themes, different styles, different layouts. So just pick the layout that you want, okay? And that's basically it. Okay, so I kind of did all of that earlier. So this is the funnel that we're going to work off of. Okay, so I'm going to click on this funnel, and let's have this load up. Okay, so next step is, so this square is the opt-in page, all right? So we are going to create the opt-in page. So we are going to click on Edit, have this load up, and then it's a blank page. So we are going to build this in real time, all right? So we're going to click on Add New Row, click on one column, and then we are going to click on Subheadline, and then click on Headline. All right, now we're going to go back to this opt-in page, and we're going to copy and paste just to show you how to build it in ClickFunnels. Okay, this is the subheadline. Go here, paste that over there. Okay, now this is purple, but I'm going to change this to black. All right, and I'm going to make it a little larger. Okay, now we need the third thing, which is the image. Okay, so you're gonna hover, you're gonna hover over this headline and click on Add Element, and then you're gonna click on Image. All right, so this is the area for the image, and then you are going to click on it, and then you are going to click on this little icon right here, and this will open up our image gallery. So I already added the image of that SEO checklist, so I'm going to click on that. And now it's really, really big, so I'm going to make it, let's see, actually I'm just going to update the width. That's the easiest way. Let's just do 40. All right, so we have the image. Now what do we need to do now? We need to create the form. All right, so we are going to click on Add Element. I'm going to click on sub headline here, and then I'm going to click on Input, and then Input again, and then Button to submit. All right, now for the headline for the form, I'm just going to copy this, complete the form to download the checklist. Actually, I'm just going to, okay, perfect. And I'm going to click on this gear icon, make this black, make it a little larger, and I'm going to make that bold. Okay. Now for this input field, it's pretty wide, so I'm going to make it 50. The second input field, I'm gonna make it 50 as well. So it looks better, right? Okay, now for the first input field, it's gonna be the name. So input type, you're gonna click on first name. It's required, first name, perfect. For the email field, next to input type, we're gonna click on email address. It's always required. And then label text is gonna be email. And then the button is, what's the button? It's get instant access. So get instant access. All right. And then next up is another element with text. Let's see, paragraph. Now we are going to, actually I'm one step too quick. We are actually done. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. Okay, so we have the opt-in page, right? So we're going to save this. Now, whenever someone fills out the form, it'll be added to your ClickFunnels account. Okay, so you have all of their information. All right, so next step is to create the thank you page. All right, so we have the opt-in page. Next is a thank you page. So we're going to click on this plus button, click on page, click on thank you, and choose. Okay, so we are going to click on create page. Okay, so we have the thank you page right here, right? So we're gonna click on edit. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete everything. So it's basically white and fresh, right? So it's white, we're gonna add a new section, add a full page, full width, and then add a column, and then add a headline. Now the headline, let's click on get instant access to check out our thank you page. So the headline is this. So we're going to paste that. Okay, and then we need the image. Okay, so the image, let's see, copy image address. I didn't save it on my computer, so I'm gonna copy the image address, add an element, add image, click on it, image URL, we're gonna paste that. It's right there, okay? And then it's pretty big, so I'm going to make the width 50. Now let's add our buttons. So we are going to click on add element, and then add button, and subheadline, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so for the button, we need to add the text, claim the deal, right? So we're gonna click on this, click on that, claim the deal. Okay, and then on click, we will add the custom URL to the your affiliate link, okay? So let's just say this is our affiliate link, and we're gonna paste it there, all right? And then this no thank you is going to be another affiliate link, but to a different page, generally the main AppSumo homepage. Okay, so we're going to do that, and we are going to go to the main AppSumo homepage to get our link, and then add that link here. Okay, and then we could make it blue if you wish, or whatever, right? So things like that. Okay, so this is a thank you page. Okay, really quickly, I know we could make some tweaks here and there, but I just want to teach you how to do it in this video. Okay, so after that, once we're going to click on save. And that's basically it, guys. So this is basically a 3-step process, right? So they will go to the opt-in page. I'm going to click on preview, click on preview. Okay, so they are gonna land on this, put in their first name, email, and then on the thank you page, they will view this, and then they'll click on claim the deal to the affiliate product. So this is a very, very simple affiliate funnel. I know I kind of rushed through this a little bit. So if you have any questions or if you want me to create another video to clarify certain things, definitely leave a comment below and I'll be happy to create another video for you guys. So, within 15 minutes or so, I created a whole simple affiliate funnel. This is perfect for beginners. With that said, if you want to check out my other affiliate marketing videos, click this video on the screen to learn more about YouTube, specifically affiliate marketing. And also don't forget to, again, like this video, subscribe to my channel. And with that said, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.